Welcome to AutoCount Cloud Payroll. Today we're going to talk about package upgrade from free trial period. Alright, so let's say you are currently now using our free trial package and you wish to subscribe to the system. So first you go over to your top left button, click and you'll be directed to this page. Next, select subscription up here and you will see your subscription. So you'll be able to see your trial period, the end date. So as it shows, 18th of January. So if you wish to subscribe, click on purchase. So here it will show you your current plan, so how many headcounts you selected and all that. So if you wish to proceed with this figure, click on purchase current plan and proceed to payment. However, if you wish to edit, change the number of employees, increase or decrease, click on plan selection. On this page, you would be able to adjust to your suitable headcount and the system will show you the price accordingly. Click on next to proceed. However, if you are not adjusting the figure, just click on purchase current plan and proceed to payment as per usual. Thank you.